Oh my goodness! Si Queen Dara, or should I say mga chikatings, Queen Kabet! Nandito si Queen Kabet! Guys! Chikatings, yes! Oh my God! Si Queen Dara! Yes, ang Kabet! Nandito! Ayan! Oh.
Stay away from me!
Ha?
Congrats, Jenny. You made it. Maganda yung live feedback.
Talaga po, Miss Vanna.
Oo.
Maraming salamat po talaga. Lahat po ng to dahil sa inyo. Excited na po ako sa mga natin gagawin.
Just keep up the good work.
Miss Vanna, sorry po.
Bash.
Te, congrats. Sorry may bad news lang ako.
Thank you for joining us today. We understand the last few days have been difficult. Not just for us, Astra M, but to every single artist we represent, our partners, and most especially, to our fans who have continuously supported us. We are here to share two important announcements after careful discussions by the company.
First, we acknowledge and respect Ms. Megan Halari's decision to step down as a member of YUMI. After discussions with all concerned parties, Astra M has accepted her resignation. As a result, YUMI will officially conclude its group activities. To the members of YUMI, we thank you for your talent, your dedication, and the music you've shared with everyone. Following a comprehensive internal review, Astra M has made a difficult decision to end its professional relationship with Ms. Dara Halari. Effective immediately, her exclusive management contract with Astra M is now terminated. This decision was reached after careful evaluation and in consideration of the company's values.
Hoy, ikaw ha, Dara, grabe ka makapanglait, ikaw naman pala tong Kabet.
Kaya na-cancel si Jenny. Nagawa rin mo. Ayan, nakarang mo natuloy.
Papaawa lang yan, Charis.
Ha? Dara?
Ba't nandito yan, Charis? Ba't ang ginagawa dito niyan? Bakit yan dito?
Ano? Kumusta pakiramdam na nasa baba ka? At ako naman ang tinitingala mo. Dara?
Bash, paano na sina Nancy Yuna Alfea? Ano na mangyayari sa kanila?
Hindi na lang, Te.
Samahan mo ko. Puntahan natin sila.
Wait lang.
Jenny, darling, you're not going anywhere. People outside, they're starving for more from you. Gusto ko pa nilang interviewin.
Pero Miss Vanna, yung mga kaibigan ko po.
Their problem is not your problem anymore, Jenny. First things first, you have to prioritize yourself, Jenny. Kailangan ko lang tawagan yung mga presa. Naghihintay sila eh. Excuse me.
Taon ang hinintay ko para sa araw na to. Yung ganyan, makita kang nasadlak sa lupa.
Dream on! Hindi mo ako mapapabagsak!
Ikaw ang nagpabagsak sa sarili mo. At hindi ka na makakabangon pa uli. Kasi, kahit na anong inventong kwento ang gawin mo, wala nang maniniwala sa'yo.
You think you're higher than me now? Nakatikim lang ng konting tagumpay yung anak mo. Akala mo, nagtagumpay ka na rin!
Di ako mapagmataas. Alam mo yan, di ako mapagmataas. Pero hindi ako makahintay na makita kang ganyan. Lugmok.
You stupid monster!